it comes to protecting your tanks, there's no room for compromise. ATM Tanks is Australia's leader in tank services, delivering expert waterproofing, repairs, and installation for over 15 years. Whether your tanks store water, chemicals, or industrial materials, they are vulnerable to leaks and corrosion. ATM Tanks offers a range of solutions to ensure your tanks stay durable and secure. Our team specializes in liquid membranes, rubberized coatings, and cementitious applications, custom solutions that extend the life of your tanks and protect your valuable assets. We take innovation seriously. With our remotely operated vehicles, we inspect tanks from the inside without the need for draining. Our ROVs capture detailed video and samples, ensuring every inch of your tank is safe. Need more than waterproofing? ATM Tanks provides full-service repairs, tank building, and custom liners, handling everything from small leaks to complete tank restorations. With over 100 years of combined industry experience, we stand by our quality work, offering a comprehensive warranty for every job. From Sydney to Perth, Brisbane to Melbourne, ATM Tanks provides fast, reliable service wherever you are in Australia. Don't let your tanks go unprotected. Call ATM Tanks today at 1-800-422-4444 or visit us online for a free quote. ATM Tanks, protecting your tanks, securing your future.